Welcome back. Let's decide on significance. The return of alpha. So you might remember alpha popping up in the last chapter on estimating population parameters. It goes hand in hand with the confidence levels we were talking about back then, right? If you were 90% confident, basically that allowed for a certain level of uncertainty, and that uncertainty was alpha. And honestly, something very similar is going to happen now. Something very similar is going to happen now. I would need to say a little bit more than that. So, what will happen for alpha is it is just like when you were picking confidence levels before, you'll pick significance levels now. The lower your significance level, in essence, that's a higher confidence level, but more to the point, the lower your significance level becomes, the harder it becomes to reject a hypothesis. The lower your significance level becomes, the harder it gets to reject a hypothesis. In the same way that the higher the confidence level we had before made it less likely for us to be wrong when we're making some confidence interval, now when we're talking about significance levels, it is making us less likely to throw out a hypothesis, which is good and bad. It's a two-edged sword. We'll see that later. And really, I don't want to say more about that right now. I'm so excited to get to the fourth part of this series, though. That said, though, same working assumption for alpha as we had for confidence level. If you don't have a reason not to, use 95% confidence level. That's what we said. So, actually, same thing now. If you don't have a reason not to, just pick alpha to be 0.05. Just pick alpha to be 0.05. If you have a reason to pick something else, then obviously pick something else.